If you are learning data analytics, try to include this kind of pipeline based data analytic projects in your resume. Now, in real time, so like our data going to be extracted from different sources with the help of Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory is basically an ingestion layer. So, where exactly it's going to extract the data from multiple layers and it is able to connect to multiple platforms. And as well as it is able to work on a simple ETL thing as well. You can do it. You are able to add a means like a UI based data cleaning, just drag and drop, and based on that steps it is able to perform those necessary steps. And not only that, with the help of Azure Data Factory you are able to do data orchestration. So most of the enterprises, if they want to build ETL at a low code, yes, they will be using Azure Data Factory, not completely for heavy lifting of ETL. A basic level of ETL can be done with Azure Data Factory and orchestration. And then Azure Data Lake going to be your data lake, where exactly to dump all types of structured, unstructured, semi-structured, any kind of data. And if you want to really clean heavy based data cleansing, or if you want to do machine learning, any of this, you are able to use Azure Data Factory. Even generative AI also can be done with Azure Data Factory. And the structured data is stored in your Azure Synapse Analytics. From the Synapse Analytics, the data models are stored in Azure Analysis Services, and Power BI people going to collect the data either from Synapse or they can collect it from a data models as well. And even they can collect the data from Azure Data Bricks as well. They are able to connect. And unstructured data is stored in Cosmos DB. So like this is a pipeline we use. If you are working as a data analyst, tell me about your project. It need to have this pipeline from where the data is getting collected, what type of ETL happened, and where exactly you are storing it, and whether you are using a Medallion architecture or not. So as a data analyst, have a knowledge of a bit of ETL, a bit of Medallion architecture, a bit of Databricks, a bit of Data Factory, and especially Python, so that you are able to easily get into data analyst in 2026.